Hey guys, we received this basic concepts tongue scraper for adults. So there are two pack, and this is for test and try. This actually help in scraping your tongue. So see, like if you are eating food, a lot of food gets stuck on the tongue, and then make a layer. You do brush your teeth, but it actually brushes your teeth, not the tongue. So this scraper is actually helpful and you see sometimes on the toothbrush they have a very small tongue scraper, and then this one is actual tongue scraper with the metallic side and form. They are smooth curves, and it's easy to clean up your tongue. See, with this double layer you can easily scrape your tongue with the metal smooth surface. So this helps in clean your tongue and have a proper cleaning. So this is a really nice, comes with a storage box as